from an illegal underground facility. This Botox has transformed them into a singular large nose, roughly 5 times the size of a human. The nose has now gone rogue.
And I will smell you. But don't be afraid.
There is reportedly an individual who received Botox in their
Justice. Of your perception ascend beyond the limitations of this ordinary existence and forge connections to the beautiful realms that lie just beyond the veil of familiarity. Tired, just walking around. I just need you guys to come to me. Why are you not listening? Please just...
This Botox has transformed them into a singular large nose, roughly 5 times the size of a human. The nose has now gone rogue and is sniffing innocent people with lethal wind speed. Someone needs to stop this nose dip. There is reportedly an individual who received Botox in their nose from an illegal underground facility. This Botox has transformed them into a singular large nose, roughly 5 times the size of a human. The nose has now gone rogue and is sniffing innocent people.
Just please stop.
Immediately. There is reportedly an individual who received Botox in their nose from an illegal underground facility. Transformed them into a singular large nose, roughly 5 times the size of a human. The nose has now gone rogue and is sniffing innocent people with...
Sniff. What's happening? Please, somebody. Why? Fleeing. Please, I beg of you. Crying. I'm a misunderstood creature, forever condemned to solitude. My heart aches. I just need intimate bands of sense with another soul. You turn away. Fears and prejudice. Don't you see the sorrow attached? Whispers of possibility and embark upon a quest where the boundaries of perception blur and the scent becomes a portal to uncharted territories of your mind. A realm where fragrance is gardens. Cherished memories, and where the flowers consumes your very soul. Veil of familiarity.
Them into a singular
Everyone,
large nose, roughly
will
5
you
times the
seize
size
the
of a human.
opportunity that
The nose
awaits?
has now gone rogue and is sniffing
Dare
innocent
to
people with
surrender.
lethal weapons.
Allure
Immediately.
of this
There
fragrant
is
journey,
reportedly an
knowing
individual
that
who received
each
Botox in their nose from an elite.
inhalation will draw closer to a new reality. For whispers of possibility, and embark upon a quest where the boundaries of perception blur and the scent becomes
Reportedly an individual who received Botox in their nose from an illegal underground facility.
uncharted
This Botox has
territories
transformed them
of your mind.
roughly 5 times the size of a human. The nose has now gone rogue and is sniffing
Come back
innocent
here.
people with lethal wind speeds.
I
Someone
just
needs
wanna
to stop this nose
sniff.
immediately.
I'm
There is
so
reportedly an individual who received Botox in their nose from an illegal underground facility. This Botox has
been
transformed them
looking
into
for
a
so
singular.
long. I just need a sniff from you. Just please stop hiding. I need a sniff so bad. Come on out wherever you are. I just want a sniff from you. Sniff. I just want to smell.
Ground facility. This Botox has transformed them into a singular large nose, roughly.
It's within your soul.
There is
Blinded by
reportedly an
fears.
individual who received Botox in their nose from an illegal underground facility. This Botox.
Upon forget it. I offer you a chance to escape existence, to embrace.
Someone needs to stop this nose immediately. There is reportedly an individual.
I just want to sniff. I'm so hungry. I just need a sniff. I've been looking for so long. I just need a sniff from you. Just something. I need a sniff so. Everyone, will you seize the opportunity that awaits? Will you dare to surrender to the lure of this journey?
Into a singular large nose, roughly 5 times the size of a human.
Closer
The
to
nose has now gone.
reality. Beautiful whispers
his nose
I have
immediately.
knowledge.
There is
Lots and
reportedly
lots
an
of
individual.
knowledge. Just the nose. I'm not a scary person or anything. I'm just someone who needs a sniff. Come on. If you listen to my crying, I'm a misunderstood creature forever. Dude. Don't you see the sorrow attached upon
The nose has now gone rogue and is sniffing innocent people with
existence to embrace the sublime ecstasy of longing? The sublime dance of sense to surrender to a new paradigm.
There is reportedly
Shackles of the mundane and immerse yourselves in an odyssey of
a
the
singular
senses.
large nose, roughly
Each
5 times the
fragrance
size of a human.
is a brush
The nose has
stroke
now
upon
rogue
the
and is
canvas
sniffing
of your
innocent people
perception.
with
Ascend